So can you imagine tetrahedron? What I tried to draw? I'll show you when something when come that time I'll show you. So this is a tetrahedron like this. ऐसा. It's like a pyramid.
हाँ right, but pyramid नहीं, this is not a pyramid exactly.
No, pyramid मतलब understand what I'm trying to do. It's like it's a can you know what is a tetrahedron? No?
हाँ like
So now tell me how many edges it has. Edges. Edges. First of all, how many vertices it has? First tell me.
okay.
एक 3 vertices एक triangle बन रहा है और वो 3 को ऐसे ऐसे pointed बना रहा है ऐसे
हाँ
ऐसे. So how
तो
many
4
vertices you are having?
4.
4. Correct. Okay. Now how many triangular? अभी सब face looks like a triangle only.
Yes sir.
So how many
चार
triangular
triangle
faces you are having?
4.
Correct. Okay. So can you name all the 4? First is
ADC,
हाँ. Which is ADC? हाँ. Okay. The other side ADC.
ट्रायंगल ADC हो गया, ट्रायंगल ABD हो गया, ट्रायंगल BCD हो गया एंड
And
ट्रायंगल ABC हो गया.
good.
Yes.
4. Now how many edges? This is called an edge. So 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6.
Yes.
Okay. Opposite pair of edges. Okay. All these concepts you should know. That's what I'm telling.
Yes sir.
Opposite pair of edges.
BC.
Huh. Correct. AD ka opposite is BC.
Yes sir.
Okay. Something that is not connected to it only. Okay. That's
Yes
like
sir.
that.
AB का हो
Okay.
जाएगा
AB,
CD
CD. Very good.
और AC का हो जाएगा, एक सेकेंड, BD.
Correct. BD. See, it's not connected actually.
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, faces opposite to vertex A. So which is the
Vertex A.
face which is opposite to this face? No?
Yes sir.
This triangular face is
BCD.
opposite to vertex A.
Yes
Right?
sir.
I can say BCD.
Yes sir.
Imagine हो रहा है अभी इतना?
Yes sir, हो रहा है.
Okay. Okay. First, I will tell you the properties. Then I will try to make you visualize also. Okay.
Okay sir.
So lines joining the vertices to the centroids of its opposite faces are concurrent. Concurrent means they all meet at the same point, all the lines.
Yes sir, right. वो
So
मेरा
lines
ना.
joining the vertices. So suppose ये vertex है and ये उसका opposite face ये है, तो इस triangle का एक centroid होगा ना?
Yes sir.
So I'm joining like that.
Yes sir, ठीक है.
Okay, like that. How many vertexes are there? 4. So all these four lines will join the opposite centroid.
Yes sir,
And
right.
all of them will be concurrent where? Exactly at the
Center.
center of the tetrahedron. That is known as the center or the centroid of the tetrahedron.
Okay sir.
Itna clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. So what I'm trying to see first, I'll show you like this and then I will. So I've done the position. I've written the position vector of all the vertex.
Yes sir.
Okay. So now tell me this triangular face का centroid G2 डाला है मैंने.
Yes sir.
तो what will be G2 का position vector? बताओ.
A वेक्टर ही हो जाएगा.
This triangle, you have 3 vertex. अभी तो फॉर्मूला बताया ना centroid का.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक
देख.
है. हाँ ठीक है सॉरी.
So this will be what? Is just only
लेकिन आपने
complete.
अब इसका पोजीशन वेक्टर पूछा.
हाँ, position vector of G2.
So that we can calculate using that centroid वाला formula.
हाँ, अरे that's the meaning of this ना.
ठीक है.
सब position vector ही था. Understand? सब ये सब देख position vector, position vector.
ओह अच्छा. I was
सब.
considering it with respect to a point जैसे हमने tried.
हाँ तो it's point only but point का position vector
ठीक है.
same similar formula आएगा.
ठीक है सर.
Okay. हाँ, so tell me what is the position vector of
D
G2?
vector
Focus
plus
your
C.
attention here, this triangle. हाँ,
Yes, sir. D vector plus C vector plus B vector divided by 3.
correct. Very good. Okay, now G1 का. तो G1 का can you assume कि can you imagine कि ये है
Yes, sir.
and the opposite this you're drawing this line.
Yes, sir.
Centroid. तो G1 का क्या होगा?
G1 का हो जाएगा A vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 3.
Okay. Now this is not a proof. This is an observation and this is a method which I also use for JEE problems. Okay.
अच्छा, okay.
So anyways, I want to know if there is a common point concurrent, if it is meeting. They're saying it is meeting at a point. Now let us see that means that there should be a same point. इस लाइन में एक पॉइंट कॉमन होना चाहिए. तो
Yes.
let us use a section formula and just understand the logic. Okay.
Okay.
तो इसका जो पोजीशन वेक्टर बाई 3 है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
एंड यहाँ पे BCD के साथ बाई 3 आ रहा है. यहाँ पे ABC के साथ 3 आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
So if I need a common point, I should remove this 3. एक पहला ले रहा है लॉजिक सुनो. ओके. I have to remove this denominator 3. So if I'm applying section formula on this line, okay, what should I multiply with this so that I can remove 3?
तो वैसे कल मल्टीप्लाई चाहिए बट 3 रिमूव करने का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पर?
क्या?
यहाँ पे हम 3 रिमूव ही क्यों कर रहे हैं? मतलब what?
You listen. You just tell me how to remove this 3. Tell me.
Multiply by
3. Multiply by 3. Okay. So I kept it 3. Okay. Now, यहाँ पे 1 नहीं है. There is nothing in the denominator.
Yes, sir.
So now you tell me if there is a point like this, 3:1 ratio में divide हो रहा है. Okay. What will be that point? Can you find it out using section formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You will say 3 into this. तो ये निकल गया.
Yes, sir.
1 into this. तो plus A divided by 3 plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think you will get A plus?
Right. ऐसे हम दूसरी
plus-
लाइन के लिए भी कर लेंगे और फिर
हाँ.
इक्वल कर देंगे दोनों को.
हाँ. So now again you will say इसको 3 को हटाने के लिए you will think 3:1
Right.
and you will get the same point.
Yes, sir.
3 into दिया हट गया and ये D. So ये into 3 हो गया. ये plus D divided by 3 plus 1. Same point आ रहा है देख.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is position vector of centroid or center of a tetrahedron is A plus B plus C plus D by 4. If you know the position vector of all the vertices, simply add all the position vector and divide by 4. And what ratio it divides? 3:1.
ठीक है.
Remember that also.
सर ऑल्सो इससे हम सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रन निकाल पाएंगे ना?
Center and centroid of tetrahedron same है.
यस, ठीक
Same
है.
concept.
ठीक है.
So if you remember, in a triangle, median was centroid was dividing in the ratio 2:1.
Yes, I remember.
यहाँ पे it will be 3:1. That line from the other vertex to the other centroid was centroid of the tetrahedron divides that line in the what ratio?
3:1.
3:1.
ठीक है.
Okay. I would prefer कि when I send the notes, you try to make a notes for this chapter. Okay. अपने आप.
Notes for this chapter, I have to make it.
Make it मतलब अपने हिसाब से ले. You can make it. I'm just
अच्छा, ठीक है. मतलब all the important
all the
formulas.
formulas, all the important points like that I'm saying.
ठीक है.
Okay, because it's very important chapter. 3 to 4 questions एक chapter से पूछना मतलब कि how much important it is.
12 to 13, 12 marks.
Yeah. Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay. So this is done.
Yes.
Okay. Now first I'll explain this and show you also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now lines joining the midpoints of the opposite pair of the edges are also concurrent. And the point of concurrence is exactly the same as the centroid or the center of the tetrahedron and are bisected by it. So one more time, read it and see what you understood.
Yes, sir. So basically it is trying to say कि अगर opposite edges हैं,
हाँ.
उनसे
Let us take this and this as opposite edges.
हाँ.
Okay.
तो अब उनमें से अगर हम वेक्टर्स को पास कराएंगे तो सेंट्रोइड तो वो भी एक पॉइंट पे मीट करेंगे.
midpoints of these I'm saying midpoints of these if I join. Okay. तो इसका midpoint can I write it as A vector plus B vector by 2?
Yes.
And
उसका B vector plus C vector by 2.
Now I'm joining a line like this. Okay. Now, can I say these two are opposite?
Yes, sir.
So इसका क्या होगा? C vector plus D vector by 2. And इसका क्या होगा?
F vector
A
plus B vector by 2.
vector by 2. Okay. Okay. So this intersection point will be the what? Centroid. And you can see also, see, अभी A plus D by 2 and B plus C by 2.
Yes, sir.
So what point? So यहाँ पे you have to multiply with 2, right?
तो वो 2:1 हो जाएगा.
2:2 आएगा.
अच्छा
Because यहाँ
उधर.
पे भी 2 है ना.
हाँ, right.
So basically 1:1 कर लो.
हाँ,
चलेगा.
yes.
So when you do
अच्छा आपका
1:1, you will get what? This plus this by 2.
Yes, sir.
And it comes out the same point.
Yes, sir.
A vector plus B vector plus C vector by D vector by 4.
Yes, sir.
But important point is ये bisect करता है.
Yes, sir.
It's not like 3:1 ratio वहां पे. It is
हाँ, ठीक.
bisecting. That's why I told you here. Bisected also. Right.
Yes, sir. सर तो आपका ये तभी रीजन था रेशियो ऐसा लेने का 3:1 ताकि वो कैंसिल आउट हो जाए मतलब
Ah. No, in problems you will see how I'm going to do.
Yes,
Okay. That's right. See, board method, you have to, I'll tell you the board method also and I'll tell you the normal method also. Which
board
will
method.
come in. Huh?
Board method. That CBSE वाला.
हाँ, मतलब you have to write board ना.
हाँ हाँ.
तो बोर्ड मेथड यू कैनॉट डू लाइक दिस. अच्छा हाँ ये 3 से नहीं 3 कट करना है तो यहाँ पे 3 लेना है, वैसा नहीं कर सकते ना. यू विल हैव टू राइट इन प्रॉपर बोर्ड मेथड.
My presentation is very bad.
बट यू विल हैव टू स्कोर ना फॉर दैट आल्सो.
Yes.
Okay, now 1 second. I'll. Can you see a screen? Tetrahedron?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay, so this is a tetrahedron. Okay, I'm just rotating it. Okay.
Okay.
हाँ. Now first, can you see the formulas also I've done in your left hand side?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So see, so ये जो है ये एक सेंड्रॉइड है एक फेस का G1. Okay, I'm making it visible so you can see एक सेंड्रॉइड आएगा
Yes,
एक
sir.
फेस का.
हाँ.
Now ये दूसरा है दूसरे फेस का. Can you see that दूसरे फेस का सेंड्रॉइड आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Now you will have to join G1 and what?
B.
D.
अच्छा राइट ऑपोजिट वाला वर्टिकल.
I cannot annotate, but can you see that ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
G1 is the base वाला
Yes.
centroid. So
हाँ हाँ
D
हाँ.
is the opposite vertex ना?
Right.
Okay, so I'm making that line visible. Look.
Yes, sir.
Now G2 should be joined with what?
A. Right.
And you can get more lines obviously, but I'm not going into that.
Yes,
You
sir.
want me to show all 4? I can show you also, but this is enough. So
हाँ.
what will be the intersection of the two lines? The centroid.
Yes, sir.
You see the formula A plus B plus C plus D by 4?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, देख correct centroid आएगा देख.
ठीक है.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am taking E, midpoint of AB. Can you see that? Wait. Can you see the E, which is midpoint of AB? देख.
Yes, sir.
It's slightly visible because it's color है.
नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे पास.
Okay. And F is the midpoint of CD.
Yes, sir. Right.
Can you see
दिख
that?
रहा है. Yes, sir.
So both are opposite faces now.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. So I'm drawing a segment. I'm drawing a segment between. Sorry. Segment between E and F. हो गया between E and F एक line.
ठीक है.
Okay. Then I am taking H and I. Can you see H and I? Midpoint of the other two bases, other two edges, opposite edges. H and D.
H and D.
H and I. Sorry, H and I. Can you see I there?
H and I. हाँ दिख गया.
To H and I, I'm just joining a segment H and I. देख. So I'm drawn two midpoints ka opposite edges. So obviously it's meeting at a point. Now
Yes.
can you see it's bisecting? See, it's perfect bisection. देख. It's not 3:1. It's again exact 1:1. You can see that. देख.
Yes, sir.
One angle.
हाँ.
And what will be the intersection point? G1 only. G only. Centroid only. देख.
हाँ ठीक है.
देख. I've made now G visible. देख.
Yes, sir.
So that is what I, how we can make. Okay. Volume of a tetrahedron is given by 1 by 3 base area into height. So base area means what?
The area of this triangle ABC.
If you're taking this as the base, this will be the height.
Yes, sir.
Drop a perpendicular from the other vertex. You can take this also as the base, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Then you'll have to drop a perpendicular from A. That will be the
Yes.
height of that.
Hmm.
Okay. So in this, you're telling if I'm taking here ABC as the base area, triangle ABC as the base area, what will be the height? H.
H.
So,
TP, PD.
क्या?
नहीं वो P पॉइंट था ना ये P जो आपने मार्क करा हुआ है.
अच्छा अच्छा, okay, like that. हाँ okay,
Hmm.
ठीक. Okay. Now I have to, there are methods to prove it. Okay. So
Yes.
one, the first proof is like जैसे तुम लोग physics में करते हो. Okay. So I'll take a very small, infinitesimally small element. ऐसा.
ये सब फिजिक्स में नहीं आता लेकिन.
है?
हाँ वेक्टर्स का ये वाला पार्ट टेट्राहेड्रन और ये सब फिजिक्स में नहीं कराते.
हाँ, but अरे ये proof करते हैं ना. You take a very small element.
हाँ
Okay.
अच्छा वैसे एलिमेंट कटिंग बॉडी कटिंग.
हाँ.
अच्छा फाइन गया.
So this I'm taking.
dx.
हाँ. Okay, I'll take dx and the height as h. So, okay, like that also I can take. So, I'll drop a perpendicular to this point. Let it be P. So, don't you think it will be perpendicular to this also?
Yes.
Okay, and ये total height उसको मान लो कि total height is capital H and this is small h.
ठीक है.
So, I'll take this as Q. So, dq is small h and the entire dp is capital H.
ठीक है.
Now I have to find the volume of this small element and I have to keep adding all the volumes. So first I have to find this volume of this small element.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll keep this as, since I've taken H, I'll take this as DH. Okay. Okay, now tell me, थोड़ा similar triangles, you know, right?
Yes.
Okay. तो थोड़ा similar triangles का property आना चाहिए इधर.
अच्छा यहाँ पे जो ये छोटा वाला ट्रायंगल बन रहा है ऊपर और ये बड़े वाला ट्रायंगल उसके बीच में सिमिलैरिटी लगाएंगे.
हाँ. So you can tell me like E, F, G. Okay. So
Yes.
listen very carefully what I'm trying to say.
Hmm.
तो ये by ये is equal to ये by ये.
Yes sir.
पूरे triangles हो गया.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yes sir.
Like that you can do everything. I say this by this is equal to this by this and so on.
Yes sir. Hmm.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Now, sorry, this by this is equal to this by this किया. Okay.
Yes
Keep it in your head. Like that, if I'm taking a triangle, मैं एक ऐसे triangle ले रहा हूँ ऐसे. Can you see that?
Yes sir.
Which one? DQF or DPA? ये
Q
भी
कब
similar
है?
है. Huh?
Q अच्छा Q फाइन ठीक है.
So you know that DF by DAR is equal to FG by AB. Yes or
Yes
no?
sir. Yes sir.
But in this similar triangle, this by this is equal to also DQ by DP.
Yes sir.
So can I say like this? This upon this is equal to DQ by DP also?
Yes sir.
हाँ. तो FG. I'm not going into that, board wala proof and all 10th में. वो सब बात है. FG by AB is equal to DQ by DP. which is equal to small h upon capital H. Okay. So can I say that ये जो triangle है और ये जो triangle है वो similar है?
Yes, sir.
Because the sides are proportional. This by this is equal to this by this is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
this by this. So
Hmm.
basically ये जो small green triangle और ये जो base है वो similar है.
Yes, sir.
And we have a property in similar triangles. I don't know if you have done it. Area of triangle, if they are similar, then the ratio of the areas will be equal to the square of their corresponding sides.
Yes. Hmm.
याद है?
Yes, sir.
तो कौन सा करस्पॉन्डिंग कोई भी ले लो एफ जी, यहाँ पे मैं अभी ले रहा हूं एफ जी बाई ए बी का स्क्वायर ले रहा हूं, वो तो करस्पॉन्डिंग है ही.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but from this result I got the above result. I can say that fg by ab is equal to h by capital H.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that is also equal to h square by capital H square.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, tell me the volume of this small element. Small element का volume क्या है? ये green element का volume क्या है?
जो ये आपने बीच में बनाया है,
हाँ
इसकी थिकनेस DH है ना?
हाँ. So let the area be area, let FG. So I'll do one thing. I'll take area of this as small a.
ठीक है, तो फिर ये हो जाएगा DH A into DH.
नहीं, a into dh ना?
हाँ, वही तो कह रही हूँ.
अच्छा, okay. A into dh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I can bring this the other side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is this? This is the area of the base, which
Yes,
is
sir.
anyway a constant.
Yes,
ये
sir.
green element का area change हो रहा है. Understand that. It is changing with this h and a is a variable here.
Yes, sir.
But capital H and capital A is constant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this area I'm talking about. This area is A, capital A.
Yes, sir.
So can I write from this equation, can I write that A by capital A is equal to H square by capital H square?
Yes, sir.
And A I can bring it this side.
Yes, sir.
तो कितना मिलेगा? Okay. Usually I don't do the proof and all, but since you want the proof, I'm giving you. So ADH is equal to capital A by H square DH आएगा.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो ये छोटा वॉल्यूम है, पर मुझे बड़ा वॉल्यूम चाहिए,
Yes, sir.
तो यू विल इंटीग्रेट.
Yes, sir.
तो ए एच स्क्वायर इज ए बाय कैपिटल एच स्क्वायर इज कांस्टेंट.
Yes, sir.
नाउ हाइट विल बी वेरिंग फ्रॉम व्हाट? जीरो
Zero
टू कैपिटल
capital H.
जीरो टू कैपिटल एच. इसका इंटीग्रेशन करना है बस.
So it's going to be capital H cubed by 3.
हाँ, तो 1/3 ए एच हो गया.
Yes, sir.
हाफ 1/3 इंटू area of the base into height.
Yes, sir.
Okay? तो ये सब आई थिंक यू हैव डन इन फिजिक्स आल्सो, बहुत करते हो तुम लोग, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया में ये सब.
हाँ.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the proof. So I have given the proof.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
थोड़ा better proof if you want, मतलब थोड़ा जुगाड़ू proof, and that is important also, that जुगाड़ू proof. So wait, let me take a good tetrahedron. And if you cannot imagine, I'll show you also. I can show you also. When you see it, then you can understand better. If you
Yes.
want, I can make you see also that.
Yes.
थोड़ा imagination थोड़ा hard है. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, this is D. This is A, and B, this is C. Okay. So what I'm doing is I am drawing a line parallel to BD. Parallel to BD.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Hmm.
And with the same length. Yeah, same length. ऐसे.
ठीक है.
Same here also.
Fine.
Then I'm joining these.
ठीक है.
So what you get? Fine.
Prism.
Yeah, correct. You get a prism. See, you get a prism.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, in that prism का prism का what do you call? Volume क्या है? Area of the base into the total height. This height.
Yes, sir.
Okay, area into total height. Total height. का. But I have taken this parallel ऐसे to parallel to this ऐसा. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now इसमें कितना टेट्राहेड्रन फिट होगा? बता सकते हो?
2.
तीन. एक ये. Okay. And if I say this is A dash and this is
अच्छा
B dash.
राइट, एक AD को लेके और एक B' D को
A
लेके.
B C D होगा एक ये होगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
ये एक है which is A dash B dash D A और
Yes.
ये एक ऐसा which will be
अच्छा
A dash B dash D C.
ठीक है.
Now you see if I take this is parallel to this तो इसका एरिया तो सेम ही है.
Yes, sir.
Now ये vertical height अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज कमिंग एकदम टॉप तक तो इसका
Yes, sir.
वर्टिकल हाइट और इसका वर्टिकल हाइट सब सेम है. तो इफ आई आस्क व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम यू विल से 1/3 AH 1/3 AH
Right.
1 by मतलब लीव इट इसका ये वॉल्यूम A x x x तो x plus x should be equal to A into H.
Yes, sir.
It will be 1/3 of the area into.
सही है, जो अभी आपने रेड पेन से लिखा था इसे दूसरे पेन से ही लिख दो फिगर के अंदर.
नहीं दिस वन यू लीव इट यू जस्ट नीड टू नो ऐसे अभी देख अभी मैं I'll show you this if you want. You will understand better. And I'll give you the video because ये अभी क्या लिखूं मैं. See, but main part what you need to know is listen. Volume of tetrahedron is 1/3 the volume of the parallel volume of
Prism.
prism here, triangular prism. This you can remember.
ठीक है.
Why? Because when we do parallelepiped, then I'll tell you दो prism, दो triangular prism. If I join it, don't you think you will get a parallelepiped? Parallelepiped मतलब ये वाला figure. This is parallel.
किसको ज्वाइन करने से आपने बोला?
दो triangular prism,
हाँ
prism.
राइट.
If you join
हाँ
it, you
हाँ
will
हाँ
get a parallelepiped.
राइट.
तो parallelepiped का volume ढूंढना very easy है. वो आएगा box product.
अच्छा ठीक
So
है.
parallelepiped. So now volume of tetrahedron will be 1/6 the volume of parallelepiped.
राइट.
So that time I'll tell. But this you understood?
Yes, I understood.
You want me to show you the demo? What did I do here? Huh. See, I am drawing a parallel line to
2AD.
AD. Huh. Okay, and then I'm drawing a parallel line again parallel to AD passing through B.
Yes, sir.
Then I'm marking the equal almost equal, huh?
Yes, sir.
Almost equal length. देख ऐसा equal
Yes.
length आ गया. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay. Now I think you can see. Then I'm joining the segments ऐसे जो मैंने
Yes.
बोला था. Now you see, you can see a prism. देख
Yes, sir.
triangular prism.
Right.
Okay. Now इसमें how many tetrahedrons are there? If I join one more length, you'll understand. Finished. देख इसमें है
Right. 3 हो जाएंगे.
3 है exactly. And can you see एक का base or parallel to the other, and उसका height भी it's the same. If I take the vertical height, it will be this. Sorry, vertical height will be that JC.
नहीं नहीं, क्या कहा आपने अभी?
ये vertical height, vertical. I cannot do the annotation. Wait, annotation कर सकते हैं क्या? हाँ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So this is the vertical height. देख.
Yes, sir.
And वो सबके लिए वही आएगा ना. देख.
Right.
सबके लिए height वही आएगा.
हाँ right.
And area तो same ही है. देख. This is the
Yes,
area
sir.
here, and this is the area parallel है ये.
Yes, sir.
Understood better?
Yes,
No?
understood. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
इससे ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा था उस फिगर.
Which with this, no?
यस सर. हाँ.
Wait, obviously that was impossible to make you understand, but I'm just telling this is better if I thought. Okay.